You see, what IGF is a particular hormone that is triggered by human growth hormone. So our pituitary gland creates human growth hormone. It pulses out human growth hormone, which most of us know is responsible for allowing us to build muscle and growing new tissue and growing new organs and having new hair, skin, and nails, all the stuff that keeps us alive and fresh. But believe it or not, it goes beyond just the growth hormone. You see, the pituitary gland signals growth hormone. Then the growth hormone signals IGF. And the IGF goes around and acts upon different cells within the body. So the IGF is almost like the troops that the growth hormone sends out. IGF is mainly in the liver, and it's released in the liver when the growth hormone tells it to leave. And then it travels around through the bloodstream and goes to the muscle cells and goes to all the other cells in the body to create new cells and regenerate ones that need to be regenerated. You can see how powerful this is, especially when you're looking at your fitness goals and you're trying to build muscle and stay in amazing shape. So what's really interesting though is once the pituitary gland signals the release of growth hormone and the growth hormone signals the release of IGF, the IGF binds to a specific protein in the blood. You see, IGF on its own is great, but when IGF goes into the blood and it combines with what is called insulin-like growth factor binding protein, IGF-BP, it extends the half-life of the IGF. What that means is that IGF that's been produced by the liver is now active for a longer period of time in the body because it's bound to a protein. This is good news for you and me because these levels of IGF that circulate throughout the blood can go to muscle cells and trigger them to grow, which means after a workout, when we have higher levels of IGF, our muscle cells grow. It's a big key contributor to being able to build muscle and get the